Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NatuallyStacey. Welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Okay, I did take another week off because it happens, and I was finishing my market research class. That's all done. Got a B plus. Thank you, Jesus. And now we are into a new class, which is Principles of Finance. Yeah, it's not that good. So I'm back with a whole new video. And what am I talking about today? We're talking about Pattern Beauty by Tracee Ellis Ross. Yep, we talking about it. I got my hands on it a few weeks ago. I've been trying out for the past 2 weeks. So if you guys want to know how I feel about those products, stay tuned. All right. I've been waiting to do this video soon as I found out about this product. My sister Lisa sent me a DM on Instagram and she said, yo, did you hear about this? And, or was that how we found out about it? Or was we listened to the radio? One of the two. And I was like, nope, but I'm going to find out. I only watched one video ahead of buying the product. And I didn't want to watch any videos because I wanted to know about the product on its own without any biases. That's just how I am when it comes to hair products now. I don't like to watch videos ahead of time because I don't want it to kind of just mess me up on what I'm thinking of the product. So, product I am talking about is the Pattern Beauty products, which is it right here. Hopefully it doesn't blow out. And there we go. I picked up 3 pieces from the line. So let's get into it. All right, first piece that I picked up was the hydration shampoo. Gently cleanses and hydrates. This is a 9.8 fluid ounce bottle right here. I picked up from Ulta. Online, actually ordered everything. I went into Ulta and they were out of everything. So I was like bumping, I'll just go and grab it online and everything. So I bought that and you'll find out how I feel about everything at the end. Second thing that I picked up was the Intensive Conditioner for Tight Textures, Extreme Moisture and Restoration, 13 fluid ounce bottle right here. I like that she went bigger on the conditioner, but we'll really get into it in a second. And the last piece I picked up was the leave-in conditioner, defines, moisturize, and moisturize. This is a 9.8 fluid ounce right here. This one, there we go, doesn't blow out. There we go. All right, I'm going to use all my other regulars for my oil, the Camille Rose Herbal Tea Seal and Soften, and for the product that I used both weeks, which is in my hair right now, and that was in my hair last week, which you're going to see in the pictures, I used the Do Most Def. Y'all knew, I told y'all, this was one of my favorite products of the year. I'm going to say that off top. That was one of my favorite products, so I had to bring it back and use it with this stuff. But let's talk about how I fully feel about the Pattern Beauty products. Okay, let's start off with the shampoo. The shampoo was actually pretty decent. I didn't hate it. It did cleanse my scalp. It did remove the product that was in my hair prior out, and it actually did work. I didn't hate the product. It did hydrate my hair to a point. It wasn't like, oh my God, it's so freaking soft. But I didn't hate it. I did like it. I will say this, I love the packaging of the shampoo, and I love the fact that the shampoo is small. It's 9.8 fluid ounces. I do love that part about the shampoo. I do, it's funny that the shampoo and leave-in are the same size. Leave-in should have been bigger, but we'll get into leave-in in a second, okay? The Intensive Conditioner for Tight Textures. I've been dreading this moment. Let's start with the pros. I love the packaging. I love that it's huge. I love the fact that it's 13 fluid ounces, bigger than the shampoo. Hell, they could have made it 20 ounces. I've been happy. I love that. Like I said, I love the packaging. I love the color, the cute little face. You know, I think it's supposed to go about there. Maybe. I do love that. The biggest con. Oh, one more thing on another pro. It is very moisturizing. It is extremely moisturizing. It worked very well on my hair. It is extremely moisturizing, but the biggest con is the smell. It does not have a great smell at all. The smell is horrible. I God. Um to tell you how it smells. It smells like bug spray. I've been dreading saying that on camera because and like the only other person I've told it to was my sister Lisa, and I was just like, dude. She was like, well, how do you like it? And I was like, it's cool, but and when you throw the but in there, it just kills everything you say in front, and it smells like bug spray. What bug spray does it smell like? She asks. It smells like Raid. How would I know how Raid smells? We're not going to talk about how I know how Raid smells. I mean, it stinks. It really stinks. And the good thing is that the smell does not linger in your hair. You can get rid of the smell if you just heard that it was someone jumping down and off of Rubbermaid. Anyway, you might not have heard it, but it smells like Raid bug spray. And if she can get rid of that smell, if they can reformulate this and get rid of that smell, we would be good as gold. I mean, we would absolutely be good as gold. But it stinks though. It really stinks, and it's sad that it really stinks. And the last thing I picked up was the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner has a faint bug spray smell also. You can actually get rid of that with everything else that you put on top of it, your styler and things. So you can get rid of the smell because I mean, it's not, like I said, it's not a overwhelming smell, but it smells and it's bad. I mean, ugh, oh my God. I was so, ugh. I was, ugh. Anyway, I don't even want to get into that. It was just bad. It was a really bad smell. And I think if they could get rid of that smell, it would be a great product for me. It would be totally a great product for me. The inevitable question is, would I buy this product again? It is such a toss up. I mean, you guys saw pictures. You all saw my wash and go. You see my twist out right now. I didn't take pictures of my twist out because first day twist out looked like crap. First day always looks bad for me for a twist out. Second day and today's third day, it looks a lot better. I'm gonna get in a little closer. I will try to get at least a picture of today's hair on so you guys can see what my hair looks like today. But would I buy this product again? God, Lee, I want to support. I do want to support Tracee Ellis Ross because I am a fan of hers. Um, I love her. I don't watch Blackish. I've never watched Blackish. It's not that I don't like it. I just never watched it. I did watch Girlfriends, so I did like that show. And I think I think she's very talented. And God bless her for coming out with this product. It's funny. I was talking to a friend of mine about it, and she was like, "Is that really all her hair?" I said, "Yeah, I believe that's all her hair." I mean, look at her mom. She has a lot of hair. So, I like the product. If they can get that smell under control, we will be good to go. I would definitely recommend this. But if smells are a big thing to you, I would tell you to kind of pass on the conditioners. I would never recommend this, especially when it's the smell. The smell is very, very is big time, and I can't recommend it if smells really bother you. But if smells don't bother you, then you'll be fine. I would say go ahead and get it. But that's the biggest thing of it. But would I buy it? I don't know. I would. It looks. I mean, it works. My hair is moisturized with it. It looks nice, But the smell is the big thing, though. And that is it for this video. I'm going to get out of here. I need to get this video edited and ready for you guys to go out. But I also have another video to film. So I'm going to be filming another video right after this. I have to change my shirt first because I can't wear the same shirt. I could, but I'm not. I'm not going to do that. So all my social medias were at the beginning. Make sure you check me out on Instagram. I'm doing a little bit more Snapchatting when I can. Twitter, I'm there too. So make sure you check me out on my socials. They were all at the beginning. I'm going to get out of here because, like I said, I have another video to film. And that video is going to take me a while. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of things to do. So I'm going to get out of here. Talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.